have to pursue our school. We have an association with the University of Monaco. That's our campus building. That's a snapshot of all the programs that we are carrying out. You can go online to find out more. There are some of our students, real-time students at India and in Monaco. Our students travel to Monaco, and those are our coordinates. And I invite you to go to the website, connect with me offline to learn more and know more about this very, very exciting opportunity that India has to offer in terms of young entrepreneurship or employment. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. That was indeed very enlightening. Moving on to our next speaker, who is currently serving as the Vice President of Go for Hosting. The gentleman with a colossal experience of 11 years in the field of sales and marketing, and precisely known for his leadership techniques and innovative sales and development strategies. He has taken Go for Hosting to a new height by offering high-end services like cloud computing, disaster recovery, and business community. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a round of applause for Mr. Sanjay Tripathi, Director Cyber Futuristics and Vice President of Go for Hosting.
I don't know. I want to say hi to all young guns, and thank you for the opportunity to the management of IIM for sharing my thoughts, letting me share my thoughts with you. I personally feel the people who are planning to move on in life as of now, there's crossroads for them. Their minds are busy thinking what to do, what not to do. We all have been through all this phase in our life. All those successful people who have been sitting there as successful people today, and those who are dreaming. An entrepreneurship thought or a dream starts from you. You start dreaming. You start thinking. Somebody said, and I believe in it, you can never be higher than your thoughts. आप अपनी सोच से बड़े नहीं हो सकते. If you don't have a thought, if you don't have an idea, if you don't have a vision, the growth is restricted. So please think big, dream big, to achieve big. Everything starts, everything that you can think of starts from a dream. And I'm sure many of you know, and others may not know this, the fact that somebody said, a dream is not something that you see while you're sleeping. Dream is not something that you see while you're sleeping. Dream is something that doesn't let you sleep. So dream. सपने वो नहीं होते हैं जो आप सोते हुए देखते हैं. सपने वो होते हैं जो आपको सोने नहीं देते हैं. Think about your dreams. This is where your journey starts. If you have your dream, live with it. There are two ways, there are two things you can do. एक मुंगेरी लाल होता है जो सपने देखता है. He is happy with the dreams. एक doer होता है. एक होता है dreamer, एक होता है doer. We all dream through our life. किसको लग्जरियस कार नहीं चाहिए, किसको पैसा नहीं चाहिए, किसको बड़ा घर नहीं चाहिए. I can assure the 99% of the people sitting here are thinking about it. They want all that. But how many of you are ready to take the pain? How many of you think actually that you will do anything to achieve it? Do you know, I personally believe when I go and discuss this with young people, they all have dreams. But sometimes their dreams are not clear. You know, if you don't have your destination or your target clear, you can't plan to achieve target. Let me give you an example. You all go back to your home daily. Do you actually think where you want to go? No, it's already pre-decided. It's in your subconscious mind. Oh, it's time I have to go back home. You don't have to think what are the options of going home. मैं बाइक से जाऊंगा क्योंकि मेरे पास बाइक है, कोई सोचेगा मैं बस से जाऊंगा, कोई सोचेगा मैं XYZ कन्वेंस लूंगा. So there are different options available. But the only thing is that you all have a target. So your journey starts from the target. Make your own target. Build your dream. And it starts from your thought process. Again saying the same thing, you can never be higher than your thoughts. अपनी सोच से बड़े नहीं हो सकते हो. So please think big. There are a lot of people, there are a lot of entrepreneurs in current world. I am sure that you must have heard about, we have a lot of examples already here, but then there are million and billion dollar companies being created, like Redbus. How many of you know Redbus? Yeah, there are a few guys. It's very important to be aware. You know how Redbus started? Just by an idea. I'll share with you what I know about it. This guy one day missed his train. So he wanted to board a bus. He didn't get a ticket for the bus. Bus was already overcrowded. And he saw a difficulty in, going back to the destination he wanted to. And he had the idea that maybe this is what others also want. So he doesn't want to do it for himself. He wanted to do it for others. Like Mr. Mava and other gentlemen said, that you have to think about helping others. You have to think about creating something that others can enjoy or they can feel good about. What brings success? You will not bring success. Others will bring success to you. Trust me, it happens, and it is the only way to success. Think about others. If you can make life better for others, that's the life that will make you better. Okay, we all know that this is not easy way out. I'm sure most of you must be thinking about starting either a business or maybe starting a career, maybe starting some job or something like that, right? A lot of people who have been successful have been failures sometime through their life. They learn from there. So failure is not a failure unless you accept it. You have not fallen down till the time you have accepted, I am a failure. Somebody said, make mistakes. But most of us are afraid to make mistakes. We don't want to make mistakes. We want to be perfect. You can't be perfect. Trust me, everybody makes mistakes. We are human beings. We are supposed to make mistakes. We are not gods. How many of you are ready to make mistakes? Why does it happen? Yeah, there are a few guys who are ready to make mistakes. Why is it that we are not ready, or the environment, or our elders, they don't allow us to make mistakes? The first time entrepreneur, there are very few people who are successful in the first time. There are a lot of people who have worked, experienced, earned their experience, and then moved on. Use that experience. Failure is not as bad as you think. Failure is bad only when you don't learn from it. You can't make same mistake again and again. You have to learn and you have to move on. Learn and move on. So, if you make your first mistake at early age, you still have chance. Do not wait. please start making mistakes. But at the same time, it is important that you learn from the mistakes. If you're not learning, then, I don't know, the future is not bright. You have to learn from it. Because somebody said, those who forget their past are condemned to repeat it. If you don't learn from your past, if you don't learn from what make you a failure, then the chances are you will fail again. So, important thing that I want to say, and everybody emphasized, dream. What makes a person successful? I am sure most of you know. And somebody contemplate also. What is it that makes a person successful? There is only one thing. And you have to make a choice. It's either your passion or your hunger. Nothing else makes you successful. Either you should have passion or you should have hunger. If you're missing this, entrepreneurship is not meant for you. I mean, this is my experience. If you don't have passion and if you don't have hunger to succeed, passion to move on day and night without stopping, I'll not stop unless I achieve my numbers. I mean, I'm a salesperson, so I only talk about numbers. And trust me, it is beginning from your thoughts. Think. There are a lot of opportunities for you. The market is opening up. The government is creating an environment for new entrepreneurs. It may not be the best suited environment as of now, but at least the beginning is happening. We are talking about entrepreneurs. The best part is we are thinking. We are thinking about entrepreneurs. We are trying to salute. We are trying to bring that step forward. So that's what is more important. So beginning is already happening. Be part of this. Start now. So you have a first mover advantage. There are already first generation entrepreneurs, success stories. I'll just take you through what I think. If you think you have any of these signs, is it visible? Okay, great. 9 signs that might make you entrepreneur. I think, labeled as a rebel. How many of you are labeled as a rebel? जो मैं कहता हूँ मानते ही नहीं है। घर वाले यदि ऐसा कह रहे हैं, तो कुछ स्पार्क है आपके अंदर। How many of you? Most of you? नहीं, take it positively only. You have to take a decision at most of your stages in life. If you are a rebel, you are easily bored. Oh, I know everything about this. So you made to think. You're thinking something different. And that's the beginning. Hate the status quo. Most of you hate the current environment, current society, current way we are living, and you want to do something. Isn't it? What is this? I don't get bus. जहाँ भी जाओ traffic है, जिधर भी जाओ problem है. कल या 2 दिन पहले I was out for something, and I had to queue in everything wherever I was going. I was thinking ये क्या है? क्या issue है? मतलब मुझे एक